Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to have a look at the power plugs that I bought from AliExpress, and they have switches per socket and they also come with USB ports. And the switches per socket, that's very handy for me because I have several single board computers, and that saves me unplugging the power supply and those kind of things. So that should make things a little bit easier for me. So let's have a look. Oops. So I bought one with 4 sockets and one with 5 sockets, and they both have also USB ports. Okay. So here you can see 5 sockets, switches, and also 3 USB ports, 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C. And they also have their own switch. And here's the one with 4 sockets, and here you can see the USB ports. Okay, so let's plug it in. Okay, so these switches, they light up. So now they're all off. So let's see. Let's just take this one, for example. And let's connect my phone. So nothing is happening, but when we turn on the switch, then you can see that it starts charging. So and let's try the USB-C port. So nothing happening yet. And now we flip the switch. You can see that it starts charging. So like I said, this is Very handy for me with the multiple single board computers that I have, that I can control which one are powered and which one need to be shut down without having to unplug the actual power socket itself. So I'm really happy with this one, and of course also the other one. And yeah, this just gives me more control over my single board computers. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.